Hey guys,
my name is Lucy.
My name is Svetlana.
And today we are going to tell you about the difference between present continuous
and present simple.
So I am present continuous for today.
I'm present simple for today.
So I am present continuous and I am happening right now.
And I happen usually.
Yeah.
Like routine, yeah?
Yes. For example, I am talking to you now.
And I talk to my parents every day because I live with my parents, yeah?
And the second case when we use present continuous is when we talk about things happening around now, but maybe not exactly at the moment of speaking. For example, I am a teacher of English, present simple, but at night I'm working as a taxi driver. So not right now, but temporary. Maybe for 2 weeks I'm working as a taxi driver.
Yeah, and another case when we use present simple is with stative verbs. Like remember, want, love, think, have, and be, yes? For example, I have a dog. Or I have a cat, yes? Or I think it's a good idea, I think. So we cannot use these verbs in continuous tenses.
Okay, so now let's get down to the forms, how we actually form present continuous and present simple. So present continuous we form with the verb be plus verb with the end in ing. So be changes. For example, I am working. He, she, it is working. You is a are working.
Yes, but for present simple, it's very simple and we use only in the infinitive. Yes, like I work. Yes, I work every day. But he, she, it, we use es or s, ending es or s. She works at night. For example, it was mine.
Me as a taxi driver.
yes.
Okay, so don't confuse me because I am working as a taxi driver because this is, guys, temporary, not always, hopefully. So for negatives, we in present continuous after verb be we add not. I am not working. You are not working. He is not working.
Yes, but for present simple we use don't plus infinitive. I don't work. Yes, he, she, it doesn't work. So for he, she, it we use doesn't plus the infinitive. And we don't add any es. Yeah?
Okay. And the question. So you usually use question word, then auxiliary, then subject, and then the main verb. For example, where are you working? Where is he working?
And for present simple questions, we put do or does before this subject. Do I work or does he, she, it work? Yes, and no es for he, she, it. Yes.
Okay. So good, guys. So put thumbs up to our channel and please comment if you want other videos from us and maybe some topics which you're interested in.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next video.